One rainy morning at 7 a.m., Lily woke up to a strange ticking sound. She looked around and saw a shiny, old-fashioned clock on her study table. "That wasn't there yesterday," she whispered as she touched the clock. It began to glow. Suddenly, poof! Lily found herself in a new world, where everything followed the perfect routine. At 8 a.m., a bell rang. Everyone in the town brushed their teeth, took a shower, and got dressed. "We always start our day on time," said a talking rabbit named Tuck. "Come on, breakfast is at 8:30. By 9 a.m., Lily was walking with Tuck through the town. Children were in school, learning numbers and spelling. At 10:30, they had a short break to play and eat snacks. At 12 p.m., everyone had lunch together. "Time is magic here," Tuck explained. "If we follow our daily routines, the clock stays golden. But if we're late, it turns dark." Lily decided to help. At 3 p.m., she helped clean the park. At 5, she joined a painting class. At 6, she had dinner with the friendly clock people. But then, at 8 p.m., she felt sleepy. Tuck smiled and said, "Bedtime is at 8:30. Let's go." As Lily closed her eyes, she whispered, "I wish I could take this magical routine home." The next morning, at 7 a.m., she woke up in her bed. The magical clock was gone, but she smiled and looked at her own alarm clock. From that day on, Lily followed her daily routine, brushing at 8 a.m., studying at 9 a.m., playing at 4 and sleeping at 8:30. And every night, she dreamed of the magical land, where time made everything wonderful.